Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. I'm guest designing for Love from Lizi using her May 2025 card kit called For Him. When Lizi told me she had a masculine card kit coming, I couldn't resist. So let me show you everything that's included in the kit. There are 5 sheets of 8.5 by 11 inch cardstock. There's craft, white, sky blue, chocolate, and navy. Here's a look at the pattern paper. It's 6 by 6 inches in size, single-sided, and it's called For Him. The kit includes 12 sheets. And this is a nice heavyweight cardstock. I love the variety of different patterns. Some of the designs are perfect for birthday or celebrations. There's the presents and also balloons. The circle and star designs are some of my favorites. And I like how there's 2 different sizes. There are also 2 designs with bow ties, which are also different sizes. The kit also includes 2 sheets of 6 by 6 gold foiled pattern papers. I love the look of the beautiful gold foil. One has a clock and the other has the direction like you'd see inside a compass. Next is an A5 sheet of self-adhesive velvet in this beautiful chocolate brown color. It's super soft and I think it'll add some lovely texture on a card. Plus it's so nice that it already has the adhesive on the back. The next item is a strip of faux brown leather. It's about 25 centimeters long. Wasn't sure if there was adhesive on the back, so I was trying to remove it, but there's not. The peel-offs this month are the mini circle style in brown. This is the first time Lizi's released their circles in the brown color, and I'm super excited to have them. Here's a look at the stamp set that's included. It includes the 2 larger images, the pocket watch and the drink with ice cubes, plus lots of sentiments that you can mix and match together. The kit also includes an ephemera pack that matches the pattern paper, and I will lay all of the pieces out after I do the unboxing so you can see what's included. So now moving on to the embellishment bag. There's a roll of washi tape that's approximately 10 meters long. This light tan color with a grid design. A little hard to see that pattern, but it's a nice tone-on-tone design. For embellishments, Lizi's included a sample-sized bag of sequins, beautiful blues, browns, and golds. If you love this mix, Lizi usually offers a full-size bag as an add-on, so be sure to check out all the add-ons. The next item is a blue wire, and it's about 30 centimeters long. And this works perfectly with another product that's included in the kit, and I'll show that here in a moment. There are 2 strips of organza ribbon, one in blue, one in gray, and each of them are about 30 centimeters long. There's also a piece of faux suede leather cord, and this is about 30 centimeters long. And this works really nicely with the next item, 2 blue metal dog tags. And you could also use the wire or the ribbons with the dog tags. The next item is a small sheet of mini gold shape stickers. Now I wasn't sure when I first looked at these if it was individual stickers or a full sheet. After the unboxing, I went back to it and discovered all of those tiny pieces are individual stickers, and I'll show you that here in a moment. I wasn't able to peel them up with my fingernail, but a pair of tweezers made it super easy. Inside the embellishment bag, there's this small package that has the dies and also a small piece of chocolate glitter cardstock. I'm leaving it in the bag, although it's not a messy glitter cardstock, but you will get some small glitter pieces when you cut it. The die set this month is a clock set. You have 1 die that cuts out the different hands in a variety of sizes. And then on the larger die, there are 2 different clock faces. So depending on what size you want, there are 2 options. There are 2 teeny tiny plastic bags. Inside one of them there are 8 blue and brown beads. So first it's the challenge of opening up this teeny tiny bag. But what's really fun about the beads, they're double-sided. So one side is brown and the other is blue. And this is where you could use the blue wire that's included in the kit. And each of the beads have 2 tiny holes. Trying to show in the video, I'm not sure if it picks up since the beads are fairly small. In the other teeny tiny plastic bag, there are 4 tiger eye gems. Now there's no adhesive on the back, so you would need to add either some liquid adhesive or maybe a glue dot. And these are fairly flat, so they won't add a lot of extra dimension. So that's everything that's included in Love from Lizi's May 2025 card kit called For Him. And here's another look at the mini gold shape stickers using a pair of tweezers, and you can see the shape easily peels off. So I think those will be really fun to add that little bit of gold embellishment on your card or project. I laid out all of the ephemera pieces. For some of them, there are duplicates, but not for everything. I love the variety of different images. There's birthday cakes, presents, hats, shoes. I think this will be a really fun set to use, and the colors match beautifully with the pattern paper. I did receive a few add-ons. I'll start with the 2 peel-off bundles. The set on the left is the pinstripe bundle. The colors included are denim blue mirror, soft peach, brown with gold finish, and blue mirror. The set on the right is the variety bundle, and it includes mini stars in blueberry blue, straight in gold matte, mini twinkle in turquoise, and star border in white. The next add-on I received is the For Him Specialty Cardstock Bundle. There are 6 sheets included. I'll open it up so you can see all these beautiful colors. 4 of the sheets are glitter cardstock and 2 are mirror cardstock. The glitter sheets include black, sky blue, sea blue, and warm gold. And the mirror cardstock colors are sky blue and gold. And the nice thing about the glitter paper, this is all no shed, so it won't make a mess. The final item I received is a 24 sheet of 6x6 pattern paper called Neutrals. Now it looks like cardstock, but it is actually pattern paper. It's just all solid color. The back side is white and the other side has a variety of different neutral tones in browns. There's a little bit of gray, 1 sheet of white. I think this will work really nicely with the For Him pattern paper. And if you're looking for a nice set of skin tone papers, this is a great collection. There are no duplicates. It's 24 different colors included in the 1 pack. I really like that they're individual sheets and not hooked together in a pack with adhesive. Now here's another look at Love from Lizi's May 2025 card kit called For Him. This is now available for purchase. You can also check out the add-ons that go with the kit. I only have a few of them. I do have links in the description box if you're interested. Since this is a monthly kit, quantities are always limited. The only way to guarantee receiving a kit is to sign up and subscribe. And I also have a link for subscribing listed below. Coming soon, I will be sharing a card video using this fun kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.